What you doing, man? What you digging for? Huh?
Playing with your tools, my boy.
Oh, he trying to steal some.
My boy got all the tools we need.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are doing 1999 Prelude Real Diffuser. And watch who's on the floor.
Again, like always.
Look at this guy, man. He always like laying down. Wake up, man.
I always lay down. I don't know.
We had all weekend, but sometimes we want to do it last minute. If I did this full time YouTubing, and it'll be okay. But I got a 9 to 5, guys. I got to clean up. I'm a janitor. I'm a janitor. And he wants me to clean up his mess here, and then when I go back to work, clean up for 8 hours. I'm a janitor, guys. I can't believe he doing me like that.
Out of elementary school.
Yes, elementary school.
Preschool,
man. I can't believe this. Now,
he's the janitor, I'm the mop.
He's the mop. Yeah. Exactly. So, hey, I think it's time for a food vlog. I'm gonna get your food and put it on top of you right now.
Oh, yeah. You gotta put it back on because the other one don't fit.
You put it upside.
But it should be. Is that exhaust? So, moment of the truth. Bam.
Alright, you gonna do one side, I hold the other side?
Yeah.
Let me see, let me put this down. It's right on this tripod here. Boom. So,
alright.
Just like this side here, hanging like this. You're like aerodynamic. So this side is almost there, like.
Yeah, that was already. I'm just trying to figure out this part, like those clips. There they go. Hey, push it from over there this way, because I think what happened was it got bent. And
Oh no, not the paint. Put a name on it. We're gonna do some foods today. I think we should do a food vlog, man, so we can think about what we gotta do next. So I'm taking a break. I'm doing some food vlog today, and this is Puerto Rican food.
It is, yeah, kind of Puerto Rican
potato.
food. This potato salad, rice and green beans, some ham, and some cielito.
Is that a tomato?
That is a tomato because we have some cielito lindo there, which is some beef and tomatoes and cream cheese and cheese on top. So that just makes everything easier. Is it good? It's really good. It's just different. Well, that's it.
Yeah, I had to eat real quick because I told him to come out and eat, but he said he gonna wait.
Oh, okay.
So I had to eat something. And then we're gonna go back to the car. So what we gotta do?
alright, I gotta bend that bar in. See the bar? That bar right there? I gotta bend that in.
Way over there, I
And then
said.
I gotta bend the other one in so this could line up. Because this is pushing it down right here.
So I guess the food vlog is over now. It's time back to do some work.
Yeah.
Just remember, I'm a janitor. I'm a janitor, man. I don't do this type of work.
I'm about to get it.
But we are going to do some right now. Alright guys, so we are finishing everything up. So right here, all the way around, I'm gonna show you how it's looking right now. So that's how it's looking. all the way around.
Mind you, we're the first ones to do a video of a diffuser for Prelude.
Yeah, on YouTube, Hector said there's no video of how this is done. And I guess I'm gonna get him the camera. He's gonna show you the bolts around what you gotta do exactly to make it where it will go flush. So if you want, whenever you're ready, you can hold the camera and the flashlight and go around the bolts where it comes off, and you know, for the old one, and you can put it back on.
So if y'all look, it has a bolt right there. Then there's a second bolt right there. A third one right in the corner, right there. Let me get close up. There's 3 right there. You got 4 right there. 5 right there. 6 right there. 6 with that bolt right there. 7, and then there's 2 more on this side, just like that. Let me see. Yeah, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 bolts right there, and then another one over here on the corner. So it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts for the whole car.
Yeah, so down the bottom of the bumper, there's 10 bolts. So you take all those bolts off, take the old lip from it, and then if you want to install a diffuser, and then that's how you gotta do it. Put it all together, and it's kind of tight.
Oh, you gotta bend the bars for the factory lip.
Yeah, there's a bar. You gotta. What'd you say?
Sway bars, I want to say.
Yeah, like a sway bar.
Yeah.
And it's like on the way or something like that.
Yeah, it pushes the factory lip to mold down.
So yeah, it's kind of cramped. So it's pretty much finished. So real soon we are gonna put the wheels on and see how it looks. Maybe he will like it, and if he do,
we'll leave it. If not,
he gonna leave it anyways.
We're going back to factory.
Yeah.
Oh, let them know if you got the mud guards. This is $150 down the drain. You can't use them after you put that diffuser on for some reason. And if you do, they'll sit way too low. So I mean, I don't think it will give the car the right look. You know, me and my boy Clean, we tuners, we ain't ratchet. You know what I'm saying?
Put a name on it, man.
Put a name on it.
So what we about to do now?
Take off the front mud guards, being that we can't use them no more, so it won't look tacky. This is a good way to steal them too. I'm gonna teach y'all how to steal mud guards.
Hey.
Yo, so if y'all want mud guards, I got them for $7. OEM, original.
Hey, when I zoom into your face, your glasses got 10 times bigger. Hey.
You trying to give me a bubble head? Trying to make me a bubble head.
Alright guys, we are going to finish everything up, and then we'll show y'all how it's looking, and see y'all soon. Alright guys, we have finished the diffuser. What's going on, everybody? Today's a new day. I just was editing the video from last night that Hector and I was doing on his real diffuser for his 99 Prelude, and it was getting really late, so I just decided to do the editing this morning. And so at the moment, like I say, I'm almost finished in editing this whole thing. I want to say that it was a great weekend. You know, make sure you guys check out the video before that one. It's like the video saying that going to New Mexico. Check out that video. Check out the video that I'm going to put that we did last night. Check all my videos. If you already seen one video, you know, watch it again. Watch it. The next one. Every day you just watch a video. You know, I think they're all good videos. So, you know, tell your friends to watch all my videos. Subscribe to the channel. You know, So like I said, I would like to thank all the subscribers, all the people that comment on my videos, and everybody that supports me. I know I say this almost every time, but you know, and that's the people that support me. That's the one I want to thank, you know. So I will see y'all on the next one, and thank you for everything. And holla.